Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove bottom base. Then unscrew and remove battery. Now unscrew and disconnect antenna cables. Then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Then use fingers to pry apart and separate display bezel. Now gently lift apart and turn over screen. Then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove left hinge. Next, unscrew and remove right hinge. Now disconnect and remove web camera. Now remove display cable. The remaining piece is the back cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.